Le Fonds monétaire international se rend au Moyen-Orient pour parler avec vous, les jeunes de la région. إنكم تمثلون جيلاً فريداً بلغ رشده في وقت تسوده العولمة ويشهد فيه العالم تغيرات متلاحقة تتردد أصداؤها على أوسع نطاق. You are the future leaders, future teachers, future business people, and future mothers and fathers, poised to take your places in societies that will be shaped by a very different global landscape than that faced by your predecessors.
Du IFRAN, le dialogue FMI Jeune, une table ronde à laquelle ont participé une vingtaine d'étudiants de l'Université Al-Akhawaï. Cette initiative a pour objectif de solliciter les perspectives des futurs dirigeants,
And when the trickle-down effect is not taking place because the people are not supportive of the government, then the government will fail and the IMF will fail.
We all belong to an entitlement culture. We all feel for some reason deserving of a certain privilege. And I think before we begin to attack policies, we need to start to attack our own notions of what is acceptable. Why is it that I, as an Emirati, deserve to have a job?
After the financial crisis, everyone started to speculate about what is the government's role. What should the government do? Should we abide by free markets and the government would step out of the way, or should we go back to communism and protectionism and the government stepping in every aspect of life?
Many of you have told me, and you're right, that the IMF needs to listen more to youth. This is what we're trying to do. We realize this is the first step, but there will be more.
Nous vous souhaitons la bienvenue sur cette tribune en ligne qui vous permettra de faire part de vos préoccupations, questions et aspirations au regard de votre propre situation économique et celle de votre pays. Become a shareholder in your own future by giving your perspectives on the issues, discovering the views of your peers, learning about the work being done already, and telling us what could be done better. Now we are asking you to speak up, and now it's our turn to listen.
In these 3 hours, these students turned into policymakers, turned into politicians, into economists. It was not like sitting with students. It was very insightful and very deep, and a lot of new ideas were given.
I think this dialogue was really impressive, and such dialogue needs to take place. There is a trust gap between the Pakistani people and the IMF people. These misunderstandings were clear today. These misconceptions need to be cleared right now and right here, that IMF people are our friends and they are here working for us.
Et ça nous a permis aussi de vous connaître et ça nous a fait beaucoup plaisir. Et voilà.
I think it was a wonderful experience. It was a great opportunity for both us as students and the IMF to learn from each other, because I believe that we are the future generation, and I think our word needs to be taken into account.